joining my cousin Violet. So I don't know if she has a YouTube channel. If she does, I'm just gonna ask her, and I'm saying I'm doing a video. So and hopefully you're doing a great day today. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. We're just loading into Roblox, and then we're going to teleport to her and saying I'm doing a video. Okay, let's get it ready. Okay. Okay, let's just... Okay, so we're just going to get that ready, saying, Violet, I'm doing a video. So then just teleport to her. Look at our house, obviously. Then teleport. And then when we teleport to her, I'm going to say, Violet, guess what? We're doing a video. I'm doing a video. I'm going to just say, okay, what is that? A baby chick. If she says hi, if she doesn't say hi, oh, she said hi. So she's pretty nice. So she's inviting me to her family. She's babysitting her chick right now. So yeah, this is my honey's room. This is honey's room. I love you, honey. It looks like we're strangling our pets, but we're actually not. So there might be a secret room. So we're just gonna get a stroller out and see if we can get outside or not. Like, she has got the same house as me. So if we get back in here, she will like say, what the hell? What the hell? Put the muffins in the fridge. Yeah, we can't glitch back there. Oh my god, she can actually make a room here. Oh my god, how can she make a room? I'm gonna have to drop out of the sky right now. I smell something and it smells really bad. Oh my god, mine is glitching so bad. I want to do a secret room in my house, but I need my sister to help me. So I'm just going to just tell my sister that please do. I'm sorry if I disconnect as well. Disconnect? Yeah. I'm just going to tell my sister, please can you help me making a secret room unadult me in my house. So she's just talking to my mum right now. I'm just going to say, Lily, can you help me make a secret room and adopt me? I'm doing a video. Okay. My sister's doing something right now. So, yeah. We're just going to have to deal with making it ourselves. I am bad at doing this, so don't judge me. YouTube, don't judge me. So we're just going to teleport to our house right now. I'm sorry if it does that. Why did I just teleport to the gifts? Whoa! Oh my god. A neon, oh my god. Whoa! Omega neon flyable rideable Robin. This is quite a rich server. I wouldn't say it was a rich server. Let's just trade with him. Because I have a golden rat that he might. I I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to politely decline because I've already got a neon unicorn. So yeah, I'm so sorry. And I've got a red griffin, and I've got a red griffin with these. So I'm so sorry. Okay, someone's an emu rare. That's quite good. So we're just gonna stick. Wait, where should we go right now? I don't even know where to go. Maybe we should go here and then get a pet out. So she's just doing that, and then, oh my god, mine is so laggy right now. Hopefully it works. No, it's not working. Sadly times. Oh my god, I can't even. I'm gonna have to fly you, honey. Are you serious? Don't say stupid. Can you let go? Oh, please won't. Okay, we'll just. Oh my god, guys. I'm not very good at making this, but you're just gonna have to deal with it. Oh my god. Okay, so just land on that bit. See where it takes us inside. Oh my god. Okay, so honey. Okay, it takes us into the kitchen. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, we're gonna make a secret room in the kitchen. Or here. I don't know where. Okay, we can stick it through there and fly it. Then boom, we have a secret room here. No, I don't know. I'm gonna change the house actually because this house is just not my type. Let's edit it. Flaws. Okay, we're gonna go edit homes. We could say homes at the top. So we're gonna get a new home. I know this is one of the Roblox homes, but yeah, I don't really care. So pizza place. I'm not gonna get like a really good house. Maybe like 900 Eastern. I'm gonna get the treetop house because I think that house looks adorable. So let's get the treetop house. Okay. Yay, we got it. We got it. We still have. There is one problem though. We spawned it where it looked horrible. The tree, oh my god, it looks so cute, but we're gonna have to delete everything. I am so sorry. Okay, let's just delete everything. Excuse me, delete. We're gonna actually make, oh my god. We're gonna actually make something inside the house as well. Actually, shall we? I don't know. Maybe we can make like, oh, I know what we can make. I'm not doing a secret room now because there is something that we can actually make that looks super cool. I saw Cammy do it and Mike from Super Squad Gaming. Subscribe to them because they are really good at doing YouTube videos. So yeah, subscribe. Okay, let's just delete everything. I know what we can make. Cammy done it, and it looks so cute. So just gonna go here, and I'm in the Richard Harvey and Megan Plays and everything. I love everyone. So walls, floors, we're gonna make them like purple. No, we need a like different, like, yeah, like a carpet purple. Okay. And for we need like maybe that. I don't know. No, we're gonna make like maybe that. No, oh my god, yes. No. Oh my god, that looks super. Yes, we got it. Yes, guys, we got it. Okay. Now we should probably make the doors really cute, like yellow. So how she made the kitchen was super cute. She put like little dining tables in here and it's super cute. So we're just gonna go and get a kitchen stuff, and it's super, I know, I keep on saying super cute, but it was. You gotta watch them. It was so good. Trees, counters. So we're gonna go with this one and then the cheapest counters. So she did it like it was purple, dark, no, light purple, like that, and then yellow, light purple, yellow, light purple, yellow, light purple. So then counters, 6, and then there, and then turn it round to the way it needs to be, and then yellow. It was so cute. Look at that. Come on. Why is it really laggy right now? Should I just do it yellow? That would look good though. Yeah. And then yellow again, yellow. Counters, that. Then whoa. Wait, what? This one is not. No, I meant that one. Okay? Yes, it's yellow for once. Then she made a little dining table out of them. It was so good. There's a fly on me right now. So she made counters and then move it back. Oh my god, I can't believe she actually done this. It was so good. Okay, now there was a light purple, this purple, it's super laggy right now. I'm sorry if you hear my dog barking. That's just when we say dinner, she freaks out because she loves dinner. And then, okay. I am so sorry if my brother bees quite, very annoying right now. He's always annoying, super annoying. She didn't have a treetop house, but I don't really care. If we move it over, so yeah, I don't really care right now. And then counters, purple, whatever. Wait, please don't. purple, then yellow, purple, yellow, purple. It's just so cute. What is it? Yellow. That looks super cute. Okay. Oh my god, it looks super cute. Should we do it a little bit closer? I don't know. Do a little one here and boom, yeah. So then, kitchen, counters, this, then purple, then boom, counters, this, purple, no, yellow, sorry. Okay, then purple, then yellow again. Then counters, please don't disconnect. This one. Yellow, I think. No, that's gotta be purple. That was really weird. No, just change to purple. Come on, yes, 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 it looks super cute. When you put in like the last one, it's super cute. Okay, then yellow, So it goes like purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. Looks super cute. And then put a little chair. We should make that a little bit longer, I think. So what is it? Pencil, yellow, 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 yellow. Yeah, that's good. Don't we think we should move the table or put another lot in? I don't know. Maybe we should move the table a little bit forward. How are we gonna get in here though? Okay, let's just move it. Okay. No, I don't wanna move it. Please don't make me move it. This is pretty hard if you haven't got a big home like Candy. Big home. Oh my god, how are we going to make it? Move it a little bit forward. Then you can... I think we should. And move it that way and then do it like that. Maybe we're just gonna see what it looks like. Moving forward. Okay, I know this is quite a long video, but I really want to show you how it's super cute. How Cammy does it. Is it tilted? No, it's not. Okay, now boom. I feel strict with the table for some reason. That is pretty cool. Maybe we should add one more here so it's even. Yeah. Kitchen, counters, this one. Boom. Mine's super laggy right now. Then, then a little chair here. Oh my god, that would be so cool. So then, castle. No, we don't want any of this. Then magic donut, bedroom, kitchen, decoration. No, why is it not here? Come on. Castle, posters, fans, bathroom, gingerbread, east. Sleek, what is sleek? How can we find that? What was it? It was like witch. It was like something from Mermaid, maybe? No. You serious? Come on, tropical fairy forest? No, it's not. Oh my god. Why can't I find a chair? Castle. Oh my god. Maybe, no, it's not in here. Dang it. Oh my god. I need to check. I thought it was from Castle, but it obviously wasn't. Magic, maybe. Yes, it was from Magic. The chair was 130. That is a big chair. That is a holy big chair. Then make it purple. Okay, so now I've got 844. Don't worry. Leave it in the portion here. Like this. I think we should move it there. Yeah. Then that's it. Yes. Okay. That is it for the... Sorry, guys. I sound croaky. But that is it for the end of this video, guys. Hope you like how I did the table and stuff. It's just an easy and quick way to do it. Well, it's not quick, but it's really cute.